Life is fucked. No matter what you do, it only gets worse. No matter what you do, it only gets worse. It only breaks more. It only shatters further. Voices say it'll be okay, but it won't. It won't. Nothing can be done. Fucking nothing. It's all fucking nothing. But when I die, when the fire swallows me, when the dirt takes me, I swear I will crawl from hell, rip myself out with broken nails, claw through the stone, tear my body apart just to rise, screaming lungs raw, bleeding hands torn open. I will become what you fear. I will become what you can't escape. If you cheat for any reason, I will hunt you. If you sacrifice anyone for your gain, I will hunt you. If greed is your crown, I'll snap your neck beneath it. If you climb by stepping on the weak, I will hunt you. If you sell trust for profit, I will hunt you. If you smile while stabbing your friends back, I will hunt you. If you hoard while others starve, I will drag you in a fire. If you lie just to get ahead, I will burn the words from your throat. If you use another's pain as your ladder, I will crush you beneath it. I will hunt you. This is not forgiveness, this is not hope, this is not love, this is not salvation, this is vengeance, this is sickness, this is everything you created in me. Every selfish act, every greedy hand, every stolen life, every child left hungry while you feast, every soul broken for your pride, every lie that fed your pocket, every smile that hid your knife. As you clean up this legion, this is what I hunt. This fight will never end, so my hunt will never end. Greed can't be eliminated, so I will make it something everyone fears. There'll be a curse, there'll be a rend. 'cause it's all you'll